in this lesson, you will learn how to animate objects. So to animate objects like doors or windows, for example, like this, you need to have the pivot point in the correct place. So for example, this door, it needs to have the pivot point here. So when you rotate, see, it rotates correctly. If you had the pivot point here, for example, you wouldn't be able to rotate the door like this, okay? So the same for this window. So in this window, it's easier if you have the pivot point here to move it. I set up here already a simple animation like this, in which you are walking and then stop a little bit, the doors will open. And when you reach here, the window will open as well. So, but first, I want to copy here an effect that I already have here. Copy effects and paste effects. Just gonna put this to low. Now, I'll add an effect called handheld camera. This effect will basically, like the name says, simulate the handheld camera. So you are walking and the camera will have some shake to it. So let's give it about here and tilt. Actually, let's put it just a little bit tilted like this. Let's see. Okay, so it has some shake to it. It's very slightly. I don't want to be super distracting, this shake. Okay, looks good. Now, just gonna adjust here the focal length, more or less like this, 17. Now we need to start animating the door itself. And to do this, we need to go to, first we need to check when do we want the animation to happen. So let's go here and we can see here the seconds. So at about, I would say at about 3 seconds is when we want the door to open. So let's go to FX and then Scene and Animation, Advanced Move. Here we will click Edit. We'll select the door. We'll put here at about 3. And we'll just rotate a little bit and then rotate it back, just so we have a keyframe. Oops, like this. Okay, and this one as well, the same thing, since we want to rotate this one as well. And now we move it about, let's say, if we want doors to open within 1 second, so move it about here. Now we can open the doors like this. Okay, now let's see how this looks. If we play it, okay, see the doors open. Okay, let's click OK. Now let's see in the animation. So we're walking, stops, doors open, and then we'll continue. Okay, we can actually go here to edit clip and, for example, this one. So we are going here and then it's a little bit slow. Maybe we can remove this middle one and let's see. Yeah, it's better. Okay. Now we need to animate this window. And this window, I would say that, so the doors, let's go back, the animation, when we are at about 6 seconds, it will start to open. And in this one, we can even open slowly until about 7 seconds. So let's go to Advanced Move, Edit. Now here, let's select the Move object. Let's put this at 6 seconds, about here. And now we want to just move holding Shift just a little bit. So we start the keyframe and now move it about here, 10 seconds more or less. And we can move it more or less like this. Okay, Let's see how it looks. So we see that the window is now opening. Okay. Let's go back and let's see how it looks. We reach this point, the window starts to open, and we will increase, the animation duration about 10 seconds. Okay. Let's see again now. Okay, much better. Now, I want to do another thing. Let's go to build. And we have here this plane to work as a background. Let's go here, select color map, and let's select here video. Okay, let's adjust this about here maybe. This offset about here, it's fine. Then Y offset about here. And glossiness remove, reflection as well, and the relief, well, doesn't have relief, so emissive, for now leave it like this. And as you can see, this is already playing, so the trees are moving. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I want to move it just a little bit more to the left. Okay, let's go back and see position. Okay, let's just make it a little bit higher, about here, and let's see how it looks. Okay, now let's go to our video and let's play it out. Okay. Now you can see that with animation, we still have the trees moving. Okay. So I'm going to render this and let's see how it looks. And this is our animation. As you can see, the doors are opening, the window opens as well, and then we have outside the trees moving from the background video. In the next lesson, we will learn how to add sounds in Lumion.